Excellent. Oh, you don't have. You have would be, na? She's India. 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 Okay. It's too late. New Year. She'll be sleeping. Raghu.
My name is Raghush Chandra. Raghu Anand Chandra. So Raghush Chandra. Raghush Chandra. Okay. So my wife is Suma and my son Suvir. I've been in UK for nearly 5 years now. For the past 4 years, I was in Darlington, to the north of UK.
All full darlings there, eh?
Yeah, all darlings. Not my only darling.
Oh.
Other darlings.
All darlings are there.
And then I work for a company by name Tory Harris. My client is O2, so I work in Slough. Recently moved to Slough recently. And happiest moment is the day when my son was born, because it was not a normal delivery, and it was a cesarean. So that time it was a bit complicated, and I found when the baby was born, it was the most happiest moment.
Wow. So both the mother and baby were doing good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Excellent.
That's the recent thing which I can remember right now. Embarrassing moment is one much similar like what you told, but it was a bit different. It was during my college days when I was called for a party. I was basically a vegetarian. I didn't go to any parties like this before. I was always at home. And that party was my friend's party, and he called me. There were drinks and non-veg, everything. I was not able to eat anything because people were eating chicken and other things. But that was really embarrassing for me. I don't know why I went there. But now I'm very much used to it. That environment is fine.
So you still vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I'm a vegetarian.
Very good. Very hard to find them.
Still managed to.
Okay.
And
Actress?
Actress, one is Catherine and another one is Rani Mukherjee.
Rani Mukherjee? Short girl, huh?
Yeah, short girl.
That's why you like her.
Don't find any short
Heroines.
And yeah, I think that's it.
Very good. Excellent. Camera rolling to Suma.
My name is Suma. My happiest moment is when I saw my son's day for the first time.
Apart from that, he already told.
Yes, I know. That was in my mind also. Next was favorite actor. Favorite actor.
Most embarrassing.
No, sorry, I can't remember anything.
Something.
Really,
College
I can't.
days.
No.
Or when you saw your husband.
My favorite actor, Salman and Salman and
Who?
Salman and Hrithik.
Salman Khan.
Salman.
Oh, Salman and Hrithik.
Because he's handsome.
And Hrithik?
He's so handsome. No.
You are allowed only one. You are allowed only one.
My favorite.
Both. Only one. I'll give you only one.
Stop getting jealous, dude.
I am not in the list, man.
Okay, I'll choose Raghu then.
Raghu was not in the list at all. Salman or Hrithik?
Okay, Salman.
Salman Khan. Why? Handsome. No entry movie, eh? No entry partner. Be careful. Okay. Round of applause, please. We have.
My name is Santosh. I'm happily married to Rajeshwari.
Very happy.
Happiest moment.
Stress the point happily.
It's in my name. Happiest moment is it's back in 2004, I think. I can't even remember. It's long back. At that time, I didn't think it's the happiest moment, but now it is. That's when I met. That's when I met her. It's a very funny incident. I was going to my college and she was also studying in the same college, but in a different department. She was going on the way and I was going in bus. Then I got down at the station and I walked back to her and I spoke to her. And then that's how we just like that. No. Okay. We were from same college in PUC. I came to engineering in Bangalore BMS College, and she was in BMS in she was studying in microbiology BSc.
Sorry, I think we are losing track here. Which is the happiest moment? When you were traveling in the bus?
When I went back and met her, that was the happiest moment for me. Because that's
in
how
the
we
bus
met
or
again.
when you met her or when you were traveling in the bus?
When I met her.
He jumped from the bus and
Yeah, I got down from the bus to meet her. That's actually the happiest moment, and that's how our relation started.
Very good, very good.
Embarrassing moment, there were many, I think. The recent one I'll go.
What did you say? What did you say?
Stopping the bus.
Okay.
Bus driver is embarrassed. How many love, man? How many people I listened? Only love stop, no bus stop.
It recently happened. Our manager in office here in BT, he uses a lot of similar words again and again. Lineage was one of them. He always used to say lineage between this table and that table. And I thought, what the hell is lineage? Wait, let me check dictionary.com. Then it pronounces the word. If I click on there is a small icon, and if I click on it, it will pronounce. I didn't realize that speaker was so loud. I clicked. Lineage. Everybody was working. Everybody started working. That was very embarrassing for me. Because he's very senior manager. Good one. And my favorite actress is Priyanka Chopra.
Punjabi.
I don't have to say anything. Guys, yeah.
Because of Dostana? Okay.
Anything else?
But you didn't tell why you like Priyanka Chopra.
She's
I didn't hear.
She's
Yeah, we
nice.
didn't hear.
She acts
Which actress?
well.
Priyanka Chopra.
She acts nice. She's nice.
Apart from acting,
She's
what
intelligent.
else she's good in? Oh, that comes out. That really comes out. So you didn't see Priyanka Chopra while traveling in the bus. Huh?
He saw Priyanka Chopra in me.
Oh.
No!
Good package.
I'm alive.
Okay, then goes to
Let's see what will happen after New Year. Rajeshwari.
I'm Rajeshwari. I was working back in India, but now I'm working, but now I don't know, kind of not working altogether. And my happiest moment is when I got married to Santosh after 4 years of long wait. Yeah.
4 years?
Although-
Was the bus journey 4 years?
He never agrees, but it is 4 years, I know.
He's not agreeing.
He made
That
me
means
4 years, 4 long years.
he made you to wait. That's where I'm getting this one.
Till yesterday it was 3.5 years, now it became now. Since we got married it was 3 years. Then after we got married it became 3.5. Now it has become 4. Next, maybe tomorrow it will become 5 years.
5 years.
Set up. I don't remember the date, time and all. Happiest moment is over, and most embarrassing moment. Still, I remember when I was in school, I participated in a drama. Okay, and there was total girls drama, and I was the hero. And my name was Rama. Okay. And we never took that play seriously, and we never rehearsed also. Okay. Finally, my teacher he managed to dictate from behind the curtain, and I managed to hear that dialogue and managed to tell on the stage. Okay. And finally, what happened in the climax? Hero has to die. And finally, what happens? I will die, and my